As per one statistics, 95% of the photographers never attempt camera's manual mode. That's the reason why Nikon, Canon and Sony's of the world have an array of auto modes in their cameras for such unfortunate people. So if you are someone to whom shutter, aperture and ISO sounds alien, but you want to get out of camera's auto mode and start exploring the flexibility and creativity a manual mode has to offer, then stay tuned, because I am going to teach you the science of setting your camera in manual mode in 1 hour flat. Hi, my name is Amol Patil, a professional photographer, an agency owner, author of the book The Ultimate Guide to Photography Fundamentals, and a mentor to thousands of students all across India in the field of photography. As they say, a wise man learns from others' mistake, and that's what I'm going to do in this 1 hour webinar for all you wise people out there. With my vast experience for the past 10 years in the field of photography, I am going to teach you the science behind setting your camera in manual mode by making you understand the concept of shutter, aperture, ISO and light meter. Click on the link below, register, and this 1 hour of yours would be the best investment in the field of photography. And that's a promise. See you in the workshop.